What's a green cookie?
No. Red and blue.
It's a green cookie.
No, it's not.
It looks like a green cookie.
It's blue.
See, eat the green cookie. Eat the green cookie. See, green cookie.
No. Green cookies do not spawn.
Yes, they do.
This way.
Green cookies, after you eat them, it makes you teleport.
No, this is blue and it's circle round like an Enderman. Like the Ender Pearl and the Enderman.
No, that's not an Enderroll. That's a green cookie.
Yeah? No, it's not.
Then what is it?
Stop. It's just the Ender Pearl. It's an Ender Pearl.
But it looks like a green cookie.
Yeah, it's because your video camera. No, it's
Brayden,
not.
that's a green cookie. I promise that's a green cookie.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
That makes me mad if you call it green cookie.
Why
It is a green cookie.
Why can't I call it a green cookie?
No. Because I don't want you to.
Can I call it a hashtag green cookie?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that hashtag green cookie. Hey Brayden, eat that green cookie.
No, I don't want to right now.
Eat the green cookie.
No, I don't
Eat
want
the green cookie up the mountain so it'll put you on the mountain. Eat the green cookie so you can catch up with Perry.
Perry!
Did you eat the green cookie?
Perry! I can't.
What is that?
Perry, I can't catch up.
Brayden, what are you holding?
A green cookie.
No, it's not. It's an ender pearl.
Oh.
It's an ender pearl. Dummy head.
I see a grassy area where we can do some trees.
That's a green cookie, Brayden. So, what do you play? Minecraft?
You mean Minecraft?
No, Minecraft.
Yeah.
Minecraft. Minecraft.
I think I wanna do
No, that's Minecraft, dude.
what?
Dude, you can't leave mine flat.
Is this squirrel called mine flat?
No, it's called green cookies.
Why is this squirrel called green cookies?
'Cause green cookies taste like turds.
I'm letting choose loud.
And I like the taste of turds. Do you like turds?
No.
What are they?
No.
What are turds?
They're idiots. Hey, I just gonna blow these roses. No! But they'll be easier to get now. You know